class students of High School Sharmundwala, my dear students, may God bless you. Uh, Today my topic is types of farming. I will discuss briefly the types of farming. As far farming is concerned, farming is performed in four ways. It is of four types rather. Farming means agriculture, horticulture, and so on. Let us remind you that the first type of farming is called subsistence farming. Subsistence farming. Subsistence farming means small type of farming or scattered type of farming in which a landowner or a farmer has a small piece of land or small pieces of lands. In such type of farming, primitive or ancient techniques or older techniques are used, and older techniques and older equipment and tools are used to do this farming. In addition, moreover, in such a type of farming, there is no proper facility of irrigation available to the farmers. Moreover, and in addition, the farmers doesn't use fertilizers, pesticides, fungicides, or but they and hybrid seeds, high yielding seeds. But they use those those seeds which were used hundreds of years ago, thousands of years ago. These seeds are used. No change. High yielding seeds are not used. As in such type of farming, enough production is not obtained or got. And often such farmers are often poor. They make their ends. They hardly make their ends hardly make both ends meet. Both ends meet. Second type of farming. Now I will tell you about the second type of farming, that is shifting farming. My dear students, shifting farming, first of all, a first piece of land is cleared off from trees, bushes and from grass. It is leveled. It is changed into small portions. It is distributed into small portions, and then it is tilled. Then different types of crops are grown in such land. In such land, then after using this land for 1 or 2 years, this land is left open, and the farmers use another land for farming. This use left open. It is not no crop is grown in such land, so that it will get its fertility again, and it is let for 2 or 3 years. Then it is again used. It is again used for farming, and this process continues. The land is used for 2 or 3 years, then it is to let open for 2 or 3 years, and this process continues. And it is known as shifting farming. In such farming, paddy, maize, millets, vegetables are grown in large numbers. Number third means plantation farming. Plantation means plant centuries. Plantation refers to plants as well as trees. In plantation farming, it is, in other words, we can say it horticulture farming. We can say it also horticulture farming. In such type of farming, fruit trees are grown. Fruit trees, rubber trees are grown. Fruit trees, rubber trees, fruit trees like apple, almond, walnut, lemon, cherry, apricot, peach, grapes, mango, pomegranate, and rubber, etc. are grown on a large scale. This land is very much responsible for the stabilizing of economy. The farmers improve their economic condition by this plantation. Another type of plantation is the farmers plant such trees which doesn't yield apples, but they plant grow very rapidly, like poplar, like willow, and they sold it, and again they plant this in such plant again trees in this such land, and this process continues. Commercially, this land is very valuable. As in perspective of economy, it has a great importance. Number fourth type of planting farming is called intensive farming. This type of farming is highest technique farming. In such farming, new techniques, new tools, new fertilizers, new type of tools, fertilizers, pesticides, and fungicides are used on a larger scale. More high yielding seeds are used in such farming. In this farming, the crops are high, much higher than those than substantive farming type of farming. And in economic perspective, this type of farming is very important. It is very important for the improvement of economy. It engages laborers. It not only provides food for farmers, but the food, extra food, it is sold. It is sold in the country or outside the country. My dear students, that was my topic today. Let us. I am hopeful that you have not taken it easy. You have got it up. You have taken not it easy. May God bless you. Huh?